Yuhuan Handing is the professional exporters for HVAC products in China with more than 15 years experience. We are specialized in the heating line products, including manifold fittings, mix valve system, air vent, thermostat, stainless steel hose and so on. With a dynamic and professional team, Handing provide our customers with high-quality products under strict quality control and thoughtful customer service. With the professional producing machines such as CNC machine, auto producing machine, Handing can deliver products of the highest possible quality to the market. Equipped with injection molding machine, Handing can make plastic mold with customers' design and produce flow meter in highest quality. Also, Handing is equipped with auto assembly machine for flow meter and insert valve as well as the whole manifold set, which effectively improving the capacity, shortening the delivery time, increasing the efficiency and dimensional consistency also. At Handing, we strive to provide exceptional product quality and unparalleled levels of service. Furthermore, Handing have CE certificate to ensure that all the products meet the quality standards of the European market. Also, Handing have its own laboratory, equipped with flow rate accuracy test equipment, highest and lowest temperature testing equipment, mix valve accuracy testing equipment, which enables us to perform the tests according to the EN/CSA standard. Our products are exported to many countries including Germany, UK, Italy, Poland, Romania, Argentina. We welcome business partners to come with us for mutual benefit.